So let us come to equality of all religions. Being a country which is home to several religions, it is necessary that the government must extend equal treatment to different religions. Negatively, it means that government will not favor any particular religion. India does not have any official religion. We do not have to belong to any particular religion in order to be a prime minister or president or judge or any other public official. We have also seen that under the right to equality, there is a guarantee that government will not discriminate on the basis of religion in giving employment. The institution runs by the state will not practice any religion or give religious education, nor will they favor person of any religion. The objective of this provision is to sustain and nurture the principle of secularism. Okay, so this is all about that Indian government and our constitution believes strongly in equality of all religion. For India, all religions are equal. Okay, and negatively they are trying to say that, see, when you will read freedom in detail from the other book, that is political theory, you will understand that we have two kinds of freedom. First is the positive freedom and second is the negative freedom. Okay, in positive freedom you don't have restrictions, in negative freedom you do have restrictions. Okay, so they are saying negatively it means that government will not favor any particular religion. So in general it basically means that India का अपना कोई official religion नहीं है. Like for example, if you go to Pakistan, they have their official religion. Islam is being followed there. Okay, and quite a number of things are influenced by Quran as well. But in India we do not follow any such thing. And the example is, when we are talking about official religion, that means in order to get offices, for example, if you want to take the office of prime minister, okay, you want to be judge or you want to be any other minister, so in India there is no such thing as that you have to belong to a particular religion. No, because India is secular, we do not have any official religion, so government will not favor any particular religion. Other thing, there is a guarantee that government will not discriminate on the basis of religion in giving employment. See, we have a policy of reservation, but that policy is on the basis of economic, okay, economic status, or on the basis of backwardness. That has nothing to do with your religion. Okay, so even in the name of employment, or even if government is guaranteeing in employment, it cannot discriminate people on the basis of religion. Okay, also when we talk about our fundamental right of equality, there we clearly say that there is no discrimination on the grounds of color, creed, and even we talk about religion, that basically means religion के नाम पर इंसानों में भेदभाव नहीं करती. The objective of the provision is to sustain and nurture the principle of secularism. So in general, the whole idea behind this equality of all religion is to promote secularism. Okay, so what is secularism? Secularism basically states that India does not have any official religion. Okay.